Imagine cruising down the highway and suddenly, every single head turns. Not because of a supercar, not because of a luxury SUV, but because of something so unique, so futuristic, and so unbelievably cool that people literally slowed down just to stare. Today, we're diving into this stunning metallic tricycle RV, a machine that looks like it rolled straight out of a sci-fi movie and decided to redefine what a home on wheels can be at first glance. The metallic body grabs your attention instantly. The polished aluminum shell reflects sunlight like liquid silver, giving it a bold, industrial vibe. It doesn't just shine, it glows. The smooth curves combined with sharp, aerodynamic edges create a design that feels both retro and futuristic at the same time. It's like a vintage dream fused with tomorrow's technology. And the best part? This isn't just for show. Every curve and contour serves a purpose, improving aerodynamics, reducing drag, and making this three-wheeled beast surprisingly efficient on the road. Now let's talk about that three-wheel setup. 2 wheels at the front, 1 powerful wheel at the back. This tricycle configuration isn't just eye-catching. It's engineered for balance and maneuverability. It gives the RV a tighter turning radius, making it easier to navigate city streets, mountain roads, or narrow camping spots where traditional RVs struggle. You're not just driving a camper. You're commanding a machine that blends motorcycle agility with RV comfort. And when you step inside, that's where the magic really happens. The door opens to reveal a compact yet incredibly smart interior layout. Every inch of space has been carefully designed to maximize functionality without sacrificing style. The metallic exterior transitions into a warm, modern interior filled with soft lighting, wooden accents, and clever storage solutions. It's cozy, but it doesn't feel cramped. It feels intentional. On one side, you've got a sleek kitchenette equipped with a compact stove, a mini fridge, and a foldable countertop that expands when you need it. Imagine pulling over by a lake, opening the side window, and cooking your favorite meal while the sunset reflects off the metallic body outside. That's not just camping, that's a lifestyle. Across from the kitchen, there's a convertible seating area. During the day, it's a comfortable lounge space where you can relax, edit videos, read a book, or just enjoy the view through panoramic windows. At night, it transforms smoothly into a surprisingly spacious bed. The cushions lock into place, creating a flat, supportive sleeping area that makes you forget you're inside a tricycle RV. And yes, it even has a compact bathroom setup, a cleverly hidden shower system, a portable toilet, and fold-away privacy panels mean you're fully self-sufficient. This metallic tricycle RV isn't just about looking cool, it's built for real adventure. Now here's where it gets even more impressive. The roof features integrated solar panels that blend seamlessly into the metallic finish. During the day, they quietly capture sunlight, charging the onboard battery system. That means your lights, fridge, devices, and ventilation system can run without constantly searching for hookups. You can park off-grid, deep in nature, and still enjoy modern comfort. Now let's talk about the driving experience because this is where things get really exciting. Unlike bulky motorhomes, this tricycle RV feels connected to the road. The front cockpit is designed with a wraparound windshield, giving you a wide, cinematic view of everything ahead. You're not sitting high above the road, you're part of it. The engine delivers smooth acceleration, and because of its lightweight metallic construction, fuel efficiency is surprisingly good compared to traditional campers. And the sound? That subtle hum of the engine combined with the slight echo from the metallic shell creates this unique road trip soundtrack. It feels adventurous. It feels alive. But beyond all the features and design, what makes this metallic tricycle RV truly special is what it represents. Freedom, simplicity, the idea that you don't need a massive house or a giant motorhome to explore the world. You just need something smart, reliable, and built with passion. Picture this. You wake up early in the mountains. You slide open the door and step outside with a cup of coffee. The metallic body catches the morning sun, reflecting golden light across the trees. Later that day, you're parked by the beach, waves crashing in the distance. And by night, you're in the middle of the desert, stars scattered across the sky, all without booking a hotel, packing and unpacking, or being tied to one place. This RV turns travel into an experience, not a chore. And let's be honest, it's also a conversation starter. Everywhere you go, people will ask questions. What is that? Did you build it? Can I see inside? It's not just transportation, It's art on wheels. A rolling statement that says you chose adventure over ordinary. That what's even more exciting is how customizable this type of build can be. Some owners add smart home systems, Bluetooth-controlled lighting, upgraded sound systems, or even fold-out decks for extra outdoor space. The metallic shell acts like a blank canvas for creativity. But here's the real question. Could you live in something like this full-time? For some, it might sound crazy. But think about the cost savings compared to rent or a traditional house. Think about waking up wherever you want. Think about cutting down on unnecessary space and focusing only on what truly matters. This Tricycle RV proves that small doesn't mean limited. It means efficient, intentional, smart. As we reach the end, take one more mental image of this stunning metallic Tricycle RV rolling down an open highway, sunlight bouncing off its surface, adventure waiting around every corner. It's bold. It's different. It challenges the idea of what an RV should look like. So here's something to think about. If you had the chance to hit the road tomorrow in this futuristic three-wheeled home, where would you go first? Mountains? Beach? Desert? Drop your dream destination in the comments because honestly, this machine was built for dreamers. And if you love seeing unique homes on wheels that push the boundaries of design and freedom, make sure you stick around. Because this metallic Tricycle RV might just be the beginning of a whole new way to travel.